Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you need to cancel a flight scheduled to depart by May 31st, or have already canceled a past flight, you can call Southwest 800-435-9792 or email to request an early bird refund. This is obviously a positive move, but it's always preferable to get full refund over a travel credit.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Do you have to check in with Southwest Early Bird? Passengers who have purchased Early Bird check-in are automatically checked in for their flight starting at 36 hours before departure. Passengers do not have to perform self-check-in at 24 hours if they purchase Early Bird.
Make your mark, take our lead.
24 hours. No. Early Bird check-in customers will be checked in automatically and receive a reserved boarding position 36 hours prior to their flight's scheduled local departure time. Boarding passes can be printed beginning 24 hours prior to the flight's scheduled local departure time.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.